Has your LG phone been hacked? What you should know. Sometimes a smartphone will act in a way that can make you feel it has been compromised. This can include the screen acting on its own with ghost touches, or applications seemingly installed with no reason, or application icons moving location, among other things. Most of these symptoms are in fact not signs of a phone being compromised, but they can be indicative of something else. For example, hardware issues can cause random ghost touches on the screen. Third-party apps and services can cause new apps to appear out of nowhere. And normal app updates can cause app icons to switch their positions. However, if you feel that your phone has been compromised, the best thing you can do is to complete a factory data reset. Completing a factory data reset will erase all third-party applications and code on your phone and restore the operating system to its out-of-the-box state. If you would like to complete a factory data reset, please click the link in the description to our factory data reset video. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.